In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change shape in Draw.io. If you're editing a diagram and decide that one shape would work better as another, Draw.io makes that really quick. You don't need to delete the original shape, add a new one, and then rebuild everything from scratch. Instead, you can replace the shape directly inside the editor, which helps preserve your layout and keeps your workflow smooth. To begin, open your diagram in the Draw.io editor and look over to the left-hand panel. This is where the shape library is located. You'll see a variety of shapes available there, depending on the type of diagram you're creating. Take a moment to find the shape you want to use as the replacement. Once you've found the new shape, click on it and drag it over to the shape in your diagram that you want to change. As you move it over the existing shape, pay close attention to what appears on screen. Draw.io will show a replace icon when it recognizes that you're trying to swap one shape for another, rather than simply placing a new shape on the canvas. This part is important. Keep hovering over that replace icon until it becomes more visible, usually turning into a darker or more solid blue. That visual change lets you know the replacement action is ready. When you see that, go ahead and release your mouse. As soon as you let go, Draw.io will instantly replace the original shape with the new one. This is a really helpful feature when you're experimenting with different diagram styles or refining a flowchart, process map, or system layout. It saves time and can help you avoid having to reconnect or reposition elements manually. If the icon doesn't appear right away, just try dragging the shape more precisely over the existing one and pause briefly. A steady hover usually helps Draw.io recognize the replace action. Also, make sure you're dragging from the shape library on the left and dropping directly onto the shape you want to change. If you drop it beside the original instead, Draw.io may simply add a second shape rather than replacing the first one. And that's all there is to it. That's how you change a shape in Draw.io quickly and easily. Once you know where to look and how the replace icon works, it becomes a very fast way to update your diagrams without interrupting your progress.